In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete page in Confluence. We'll walk through where to click, what each option means, and how to choose between archiving and deleting so you keep your workspace tidy without losing anything important. First, open Confluence and sign in so you can see your workspaces. From your home screen, choose the space that contains the page you want to remove. Spaces group related pages, so picking the right one helps you quickly find the content you're targeting. Inside the space, open the Content section. This is where you can browse pages that live in the space. Locate the specific page you want to remove and open it. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct page, especially if there are similarly named pages or archived versions you've used before. On the page toolbar, find the More Actions menu, usually represented by three dots. Click it to reveal additional options, then choose Archive and Delete. This brings up the controls that let you either hide a page for later or remove it entirely. If you're not ready to get rid of the page forever, choose Archive. Archiving takes the page out of regular navigation and search results for most people, but it keeps the content safe in the background. This is ideal for outdated docs, drafts, or temporary notes you might need to reference later. You'll see a field to add a note. This is optional, but it's a great place to briefly explain why you archive the page or what should happen next. That context helps teammates understand the change. If you're confident the page is no longer needed, you can choose Delete instead. Deleting moves the page to the space's trash. Items in the trash can typically be restored or permanently purged by a space admin, so there's still a safety net if something was removed by mistake. Keep in mind that purging is irreversible, so only proceed to permanent removal when you're absolutely sure. To recap the choice, pick Archive if you want the page out of the way but still recoverable later, especially when you're unsure or need stakeholder approval. Pick Delete if you're certain the content has served its purpose and won't be needed again. Both options are available from the same Archive and Delete area, and adding a short note when archiving can save a lot of back and forth later. That's it. Now you know exactly how to clean up pages in Confluence confidently and responsibly.